Hey y'all, special edition of At the Track. Our Daisy girl, who's 11 or 12, has found some friends with some new little puppies. 5 months old, right? And that's a boy, right? Yeah. Hi you guys. It's my Daisy. Did you give them names or no?
That one's Rose.
Rose?
Yeah.
Sweet, she's a girl.
And then the big head, the green one is Grattan, and then the pink one is Diamond.
Oh.
It's a baby, Daisy. Oh my goodness. I know you were wanting to see them last night. Where'd the other ones go, huh? Come on. Come here, sweetie. Hi.
She is precious. Oh. Hi, you. Hi, Pumpkin. Oh, goodness. How cute. How soft and smooth.
Hi.
She likes Shay. She's got a smaller head than the other ones, too. Doesn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah. Daisy.
She's checking her out. Do you like her, Dave? Aw, she kisses you. She's kissing you.
Isn't that cute? That's too much.
Are they all brothers and sisters?
Yeah.
Oh, big yawn. Where are they from? Where are you guys from?
Like Grand Landing, you know where like Grattan? I live like Grattan. She's from Grattan, I'm from Kenosha.
Oh, okay. All right. Wow. Do they sleep the whole time you're driving?
Yeah.
Daisy's the same way. She would.
Have to go to the bathroom.
She travels so good.
Her the first time.
We had a Weinreimer too. We took them both to Daytona with us, and they just had a great time.
Oh, we're gonna say hi to these two, but they won't come by you. Yeah, but she had an accident on me.
Oh,
In the house the first time.
look at they are just adorable.
What is it? Her stomach was still trying to adjust to.
Right.
The dog's milk and her mother's milk and the real food.
They are so adorable. Just 3 of them?
Yeah. Well, there's a fourth one, but it's not ours. It's her brother's.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. Look how low that airplane
So
is.
there's a total of 7, and we got 4 out of the 7, basically.
Back up. Come on,
It's cool. Is this a girl too?
Yeah.
This is a boy.
And pick your girl.
The boy's got the bigger head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's got his dad's head.
Look at them sitting on each other.
What did she do when she went in the garage?
Come here, yo. Come here. Come here, Diamond. It's okay.
Oh, she might just go belly down right away. She's scared. But see, the other ones are
Where's the Daisy? Are they babies? Are they babies? Are those babies? Are you having fun at the racetrack? Are you having fun? Daisy's having fun at the racetrack.
Here. Oh, look at you. Look at you.
What a good time we're having.
Hi, sweetie.
Come here, guys. Come here. Come here.
She's crashing out. Is this thing? Oh, it's on her leg.
Oh, is that why?
Yeah. Sherry, you gotta undo her. She's all wound up.
Say hi.
Poor Daisy, she's falling down. Here we go.
Come here.
It's all wound up around her.
There you go.
Hi. Well, hi, little man. Hi, how are you?
Hey. Hope he's still on her bed.
It's like, yeah, it smells like her.
Yeah, she got no food or water.
Just checking it out. Look at these little ham, this one you're playing up to the camera.
Hi. Oh, hi there.
And that's it. We're at the racetrack playing with the dogs. See y'all.